can have fun creating borders to surround your cross stitch. You clone a selection and you use that as a stamp to create a border with a tool called the rubber stamp in the design toolbar. First, we need to create the object. I'm going to open up my colors as well as my types of stitches. I'll select the color and the type of stitch I want to use, and I'll use the pencil tool to create my stamp. I can do multiple colors within the border as well. Once I get my stamp created, I can select it by drawing a bounding box around the stamp. And then the rubber stamp becomes activated. When I click on it, I have the cloned object that I can set along my border. I can click it and it will add that stamp wherever I click. To get rid of the stamp, I press Escape. So it's so easy to create a border in cross stitch.